really common troubleshooting issue that we have is we've got an end station and it cannot ping some destination. Maybe it's a destination on the internet. Maybe it's a destination on our local network. But when we're troubleshooting a situation like that, one of the first things we do is we try to ping the destination, because if I can ping from my source to my destination, then I know I'm good at layer 3 from the source to the destination. After all, ping uses CCNP, that's a layer 3 protocol. In this example, let's say that I'm sitting on a router R1 and I'm wanting to see if I have connectivity to the Fast Ethernet 0/1 interface connected to R3 on screen. Let's see if I can ping that IP address. Can I ping 172.16.2.1? And if I can, I know I'm good at layer 3 between R1 and R3. I can, fantastic. If I could not ping it, maybe the next thing I would try is to ping my next hop gateway. Can I ping 10.1.1.2? That's R2? Yes, I can get there. And one thing we can do, if I cannot ping that destination, maybe I want to see, where does it start to break down? Maybe my destination is a few router hops away. A really handy command that we can use is traceroute. I can say trace route and specify, in this case, 172.16.2.1. And it's going to show me every hop along the way from the source to the destination. It shows me, for example, the first hop. This is R2. And we see 3 different round trip times to get from R1 to R2 and back again. I see the next hop. This is R3, and we see 3 round trip times for that as well. One other thing I want to show you with ping is that we can do an extended ping. I'll give you just one example of why we might want to do an extended ping. When I'm pinging right now from R1 to R3, what's my source IP address? Well, look at the topology. It's the IP address of my egress interface of Fast Ethernet 0/0. However, what if I wanted to source packets from my Fast Ethernet 0/1 interface? Would that work? Well, we might think, well, I've already proven that I can get from R1 to R3. Why would that be any different? Yeah, R1 knows how to get to R3, and R3 knew how to get back to the 10.1.1.1 IP address. But that's not a guarantee that R3 knows how to get back to the 172.16.1.1 IP address. Maybe it doesn't have route information for that. So let's see if that is possible. Will we be able to ping if my source address is 172.16.1.1? I'm going to do a ping and press enter. I'm not going to give anything else on that command line. And I'll say that my target is 172.16.2.1. And when it asks me if I want to do extended commands, I'll say yes. Yes, I do. And I'll specify a source address or interface. I'll specify 172.16.1.1. That's the IP address of Fast Ethernet 0/1 on router R1. And let's see if this is successful, and it is. So now we know that not only can R3 get back to 10.1.1.1, it can also get back to the network connected off of Fast Ethernet 0/1 on router R1.